Welcome everyone to this episode of our Bigblue series talking about diving lights. Today, again, like the other videos, my name is Christina Baker. I'm the VP of Sales for the US for Bigblue. And to my right is Tyler Hall, your warranty manager and inside sales guy and overall tech guru problem solver.
Oh, thank you.
Absolutely. So today we're going to talk about technical lights. And I would say the what makes them technical lights mainly is going to be the narrow 10-degree beam, which all 7 of these lights have. So you want to start with the big dog?
Yeah.
Work our way down?
I think that's a great idea.
All right. Want to talk about it? The first guy, big guy?
So the first light that we'll talk about is the TL8000. This is the biggest tech light that we offer right now. It's got the 10-degree narrow beam. It takes a 18650 by 7 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This can be mounted to a number of different accessories that we offer. In the retail package, you're going to get one of these yellow dry bags. You'll get a lantern handle and a slim fit Goodman handle. It's a double O-ring sealed, and this thing is very powerful. It's got 4 brightness settings that will double the burn time for every setting that you go down. It's also got SOS built into it, so it'll save the day if you need it to. So that is the TL8000P. Can go down, 330 feet?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So,
which is true for the entire line.
Yes.
So you've got a long way to go. Do you want to show that one on?
Oh yeah,
Diver Dan?
Here we go, Diver Dan.
I'm closing my eyes.
Oh yeah. There we go. So all those settings
Diver
there.
Dan is blind now. He's not going anywhere.
Diver Dan's got 8,000 on his helmet there.
Next up is, I would say probably one of the most popular in the lineup.
Yep.
Is the TL5200P. Again, it's got the same mounting square, so you can attach any of our gloves, the TLG glove, which is a soft handled glove, any of the Goodman handles, any of the easy release mechanisms. Comes with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. It's actually 18650 by 4, which can be, all of our batteries can be removed to charge. Mm-hmm. And this guy, watch yourself.
Oh man.
So that's about his brightness level. Again, with all of these, you've got 4 power settings. So if you find that the highest, they always start on the highest setting. If that's too bright for your location, bump it down. Mm-hmm. Save that battery life. Mm-hmm. So we've got 8,000, 5,200, and then we go down. Both of these guys are 3,800 lumens, and again, all of them have a 10-degree beam angle. Mm-hmm. What makes this one different, you can see he's a little shorter and squattier, and he's got a little bit bigger base on him, is he's got an extended battery life to him.
Yes.
So this is the TL3800 Supreme and the TL3800P. So this one does an hour and a half on high.
Yep.
And this one does
3
hours on high.
Yes.
You can tell the difference there. But the beam angles, again, 10 degrees, so that's 3,800 lumens, which is going to be the same as this guy, the TL3800P, exact same brightness. Again, 4 power settings, just longer burn time on this guy.
Yep.
And then this would, I would say, would be our smallest as far as a primary light, and that's the TL2900.
Yep. It's a great entry-level tech light, definitely.
Sure.
Another thing too, so all of these have it's got a power indicator to tell you like where you're at in your battery life. So it'll start out on blue, then it'll go to green, then it'll go to red. And then if it's blinking red, it's time to get out of the water.
Time to go.
So yeah, that's true for all of our lights in this series.
Good point.
Yep.
And then these last two, I would say, are going to be more for your backup lights to any of these guys. This is an 1800 lumen. Again, 10-degree beam, and you can see that battery indicator there. That one's full. You're good for a while.
Yeah.
So 1800 lumens, and then this one is our 1300 lume.
The tried and true.
The tried and true.
Narrow beam of the century.
Best-selling light since I think we came out with these in like 2009, maybe? And it started out as a 900 lumen. And over the years, it's gotten brighter and brighter, but definitely bestseller of all time. Very low fail rate. We've sold thousands and thousands and thousands of these guys. Just super solid. Nothing to worry about there.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think that's about it.
Yep.
Definitely these two are going to be backup lights to some of these bigger guys. So I think that's about it.
Yeah, they all come with dry bags.
Yep.
All come with the removable, rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. The batteries can be purchased. Additional batteries can be purchased for backup batteries, so you've always got a charged battery.
Yep.
We do recommend replacing your batteries every year.
Yep.
It's kind of a maintenance thing. It's a safety thing. You want to keep those batteries nice and charged so that your light is always performing.
Yep.
They also, I don't think we've talked about O-rings. They also come with
just
extra
O-rings.
Yep, okay. Yep. So another maintenance thing. You want this light. These lights are not cheap. It's an investment. You want to keep them good. So we're providing you with all of those things to keep them well maintained so that they last a long time.
Yep. So you're going to get replacement O-rings in every light that you purchase here. You can also buy replacement O-rings from us. They're on our website now, so you can go on there and you can specify which battery style that you have, and you can get the correct O-rings. Always want to use silicone grease on those. I would say you could probably get maybe 25 to 50 dives before you should probably replace those O-rings.
Yeah.
And another thing, make sure you tighten the light all the way down every time you dive.
Pro tip.
Yep.
Tighten the light head down.
That's a troubleshooting tip for you right there. So,
definitely.
Cool.
Awesome. All right.
Well, thank you.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Peace out.
Peace out.